walking back here to my in-laws, some old land they have. We made a little track on. Heard him back here ripping it. Go see what he's doing. Looks like he hurt himself already. You alright? What happened? What'd you hit?
I hit the handlebars.
Well, you don't supposed to hit the handlebars.
My knee hit the handlebars.
You gonna make it?
Oh. Oh.
You do got a good rut in this.
Oh. What?
I say you do have a good rut. You know, we need to smash that in.
I only hit this one because that one's sketchy.
Yeah,
I don't like that one.
it already got hard.
Yeah.
You bring a shovel over here and knock that in.
Yeah, because I got hit like on the edges.
Let's see,
I'm not hitting that because it's so sketchy.
let's see what you can do.
Okay.
Let's see how sketchy it is. Yep. Let's give it a little bit. There you go.